Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Scrapbook.com just started carrying the brand Violet Studio, and they have lots of really fun Christmas kits. I was sent a bunch of different Christmas kits to try out, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing and show you what's included in the kits. There are two different collections, Home for Christmas and also the Nutcracker. This kit is from the Home for Christmas collection, and it is the card making and stamping kit. All of the contents are inside this cute little box with the red car on the outside. The first item is a little box of pom-poms. There are 36. The colors are gray, white, pink, red, green, and teal. The next item is a pack of card toppers. There are 28 pieces. There's lots of cute Christmas icons and sentiments. Next is a set of alphabet stickers. There are 210 pieces, and it includes the alphabet and also punctuation. Next is a pack of stickers with lots of icons and a few with love sentiments. This kit also includes a stamp set. There are 4 sentiments and lots of really cute Christmassy images. Up next is the 6x6 paper pad. There are 36 single-sided sheets, 12 different designs, so you'll receive 3 of each design. Let's go ahead and open up the paper pad. The first sheet includes 4 cut-apart sentiment and images. These are perfect when you need to assemble a quick Christmas card. It includes Home Sweet Home, Driving Home for Christmas, Merry Christmas, and 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. We have several different images with cars and trucks holding Christmas trees. There's some red and white diagonal stripes, more trees and little cars. Here's one with holly leaves and berries. A sheet with lots of different Christmas sentiments. This one's fun with the little vehicles inside a wreath. We have some polka dots and fa la la la. The last item included in the kit is a pack of 6x6 printed cards and envelopes, and there are 10 of each. So I'll open it up so you can have a look. There are 2 different designs. You'll get 5 of each. This one is 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. And the other one has the car image inside a wreath with the sentiment fa la la la. And there are also 2 different envelope styles. One with the larger red car on the front, and the other has the candy cane stripes and just a small little car in the lower left-hand corner. So that's everything that's included in the card making and stamping kit. The next kit is called Decoupage Card Making Kit. And this is also from the Home for Christmas collection, so all of those kits will coordinate together. I'll open up the box so you can see all the goodies that are included. It was fun to see all the products as I was recording the unboxing since I hadn't opened any of the boxes yet. The first item is a pack of frames. There are 8 included, 2 different designs, and they do have adhesive on the back side. The next item is a pack of ribbon bows, and these are all pre-tied. There's a total of 30 included. Then we have a pack of mini tags, lots of really fun Christmas sentiments, and there are 30 pieces. The next item is a sheet of adhesive gems. There are a total of 360 pieces in 4 different colors, and I love this small size. This kit also includes 6x6 cards and envelopes, a total of 8. But this time it's just in solid colors. There's white, red, green, and sort of a gold looking color. The final item included in the kit is my favorite. This is the 8x8 decoupage pad. There are 24 sheets, 8 different designs. You'll get 3 of each design. If you've never used decoupage before, this is so much fun. Every sheet has the images numbered. So we have A1, A2, and A3. You can use just that original A1 piece, but if you want to add some dimension, you'll punch out A2, put some foam on the back, layer it on top of that original image, and you could do one more layer with the A3. And each sheet also includes extra items. We have lots of different sentiments and images, and everything punches out so there's no fussy cutting required. Several of the sheets have more than one image that you can layer together, so there really is a nice variety of images and sentiments included in this set. And with 24 sheets, you can easily make a ton of Christmas cards. And it's so fun that you can mix and match the different card kits together. The next card kit is the die cutting and embossing kit. Some of the kits do include the same item, but overall the kits are very different. This kit includes several items that you'll be able to reuse again and again. First, we have the pack of adhesive gems, and this is the same that was included in the previous kit. Next, there are 2 embossing folders. We have 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, and also a little outdoor scene with trees and the car with presents on top. And the embossing folders are about 2 3/4 by 5 3/4 inches. The next item is a pack of ribbons. There are 5 different designs and you'll receive 1 meter of each. Next, there are 3 different die sets. So we have the first one with some trees and some holly. We have the little car with the presents on top and also the sentiment Merry Christmas. Then the final item that's included is the pack of 6x6 cards and envelopes, and there are 8 included. The next item is the gift decorating kit, and this is also part of the Home for Christmas collection. There are over 90 pieces included, and you can use all these items to decorate up your Christmas gifts, or you could use them for card making or scrapbooking as well. The first item is the pack of pom-poms. Next, there's a set of craft tape. This is similar to washi tape, and there are 4 different rolls. Then there's a package of stickers, a total of 36, and you can see all 4 of the designs on the back. One has the sentiment with love, we have the red truck, and the other 2 have the to and from, so perfect to put on the outside of your present. Next up is a set of assorted twine, 5 different colors, and you'll receive 1 meter of each. And there's also a package of ribbon, 5 different designs, and you'll receive 1 meter each. The final item included in the kit is a set of tags and twine. There are 3 different designs of tags. We have Merry Christmas, 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, and Driving Home for Christmas. And there's also a package of the red and white twine. This kit is perfect for decorating up your Christmas presents, or you could use it with the other kits since all of the items coordinate together. Many of the products from the Home for Christmas collection can be purchased individually. One of them is the paper pack, so if you really want to have more of the paper to work with all that decoupage and die cut images, you can buy this separately. The other new collection from Violet Studio is called the Nutcracker, and I have just a few items to share. The first is the card making kit. This is a super simple kit with basically everything you need to assemble 10 cards. And I will show it to you as soon as I can get it out of the box. There are 2 different card designs, 5 of each, and at this point I didn't even look at the back of the box, so I wasn't sure what these little pieces were for. The first card design has the image of a fairy ballerina, and she's surrounded by a beautiful wreath with flowers and foliage. There are 5 of those cards, and there are also 5 sheets of decoupage. And the cards and also the decoupage images have some beautiful gold foil accents on them. With the decoupage pieces, you'll be able to add lots of fun dimension to your card. The second card design is a fun snow globe shape. I love the pink background. It has several trees, and at the bottom there are a couple different sentiments you can add, so you can pick and choose. There's Merry Christmas and also 'Tis the Season. And with those decoupage sheets, you'll be able to add the fun dimension. There are 2 different styles of envelopes to coordinate with the cards. And there is an instruction sheet on how to assemble the little snow globe, plus a sheet of foam dimension. So according to the instruction sheet, that last little piece that's included is a stand for the snow globe card. You just fold it and glue the folded side on the back. Then someone can easily display your beautiful snow globe card. The next item that's part of the Nutcracker collection is a banner kit. So it has everything included to create this fun Merry Christmas banner. I'll open it up and show you all the different images. All of the letters are printed on some beautiful gold foil paper. There is a pack of the gold strings, so you can attach everything for your banner. And then there are lots of different images from the Nutcracker. This would be a really quick and simple project to decorate your house for Christmas. It could also be a great gift for someone who loves the Nutcracker. The last item I received is also part of the Nutcracker collection. This is the paper bow making kit, and according to the packaging, the skill level is easy. With the kit, you're able to make 12 3D paper gift bows with tags. So open up the package and this is what's inside. Lots of different strips of beautiful paper, and you'll use those to assemble the bows. There's also 12 tags included and 2 meters of beautiful gold twine. And if you're not sure how to assemble the bows, no worries, the kit includes a step-by-step tutorial on how to assemble those beautiful paper bows. I will admit, when I first opened up this package and saw all those beautiful pattern paper strips, I was thinking these would be perfect for making cards. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links provided in the description box below. And coming soon, I will be sharing a card video using some of the fun new Christmas items from Violet Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.